Minecraft Dungeons. How to play. The object of the game is to fight monsters, solve puzzles, find treasure, and beat the bosses. Pick a player skin. Left-click to move to the indicated location. Hold left-click to constantly move to wherever your mouse points. Left-click on an object to interact with it. Left-click on an enemy to attack. Hold Shift while left-clicking to remain stationary while attacking. Right-click on an enemy to fire an arrow at them. Hold down right-click to charge your bow for a more powerful shot. To stop charging without firing, hold down left-click to start walking, then release your right-click. If you pick up TNT, then the next time you right-click, you will throw it. You can hold multiple TNTs at once. Press spacebar to roll. Rolling allows you to jump off cliffs or jump across a short gap in the terrain. The gold pin icon, or edge of the screen arrow, indicates where you should go to complete the mission of the level, though you do not have to go there right away and are allowed to explore the world for secrets. Press M to see the map. The map will indicate if you have found all the chests and secrets for the level, as well as get an understanding of where you are and where you need to go. Press I to open your inventory. Click and drag items to equip them to your character. You may only equip one melee weapon, one ranged weapon, and one armor at a time. You have 3 artifact slots. Press 1, 2, or 3 to activate the corresponding artifact. Press E to drink your potion to regain health. Your health is indicated in the middle heart area. You cannot gain health greater than your maximum. Any extra is wasted. Artifacts and your potion can be used unlimited times, but some have restrictions on how frequently they can be used. The number next to each item indicates that item's level. The icon next to it indicates what type of item it is. Weapons and armor can be enchanted. To enchant, select an icon in the bottom right you want, then click Upgrade. Each enchantment option is randomly generated for each item and cannot be changed. There are a maximum potential of 3 enchantments per item, but not all items can be enchanted 3 times. Once you pick an enchantment, you can further upgrade it to make it stronger, but you cannot change it to another enchantment. It is permanently locked in. Each time you upgrade an item, you will consume the indicated amount of enchantment points. You earn enchantment points by leveling up. You level up by killing monsters. When you kill a monster, items can drop. Click on an item to collect it. If it is a one-time use consumable, like bread or a potion for example, then it will be immediately used. Items will be stored in your inventory. You can permanently get rid of your items by salvaging them to collect emeralds. If you salvage an enchanted item, then you will regain all enchantment points that were used on that item so they can be used on different items. Emeralds are used to buy items from villagers you rescue. There is a main village you revisit after each level. To start a new level, visit the map or press M, then click on the level you want to play. Pick a difficulty for the level. The harder the difficulty, the better the items and rewards you can find. There are 3 levels for items: common, rare, and unique. Common is the lowest, and unique is the highest. Each item's level will determine how powerful it is. If you lose all your health, you die. You get 3 lives per level. On your 4th death, you lose the level and return to your village. If you fall off a cliff into an invalid area, it does not count as a death, but you will lose some health.